This is my mega beam for the black soldier fly larva. So you can see it's composed of swine manure and mixed fruits with apple, banana, and mango, and some vegetables should be thrown to waste. So let's see if we have larva. They're huge. They're measured at about 0.93 inch. So I think that was always playing in my mind. I done it right. Maybe. So I have to leave it there. So after they're mature, then we'll crawl up here into this hole. So I just improvise Coca-Cola bottle. So if ever I harvest, then I get it from here. Soon I will be putting some tube and then or pipes go down there here with a pail. So after they are removed, then they are transferred just right here in this my newly done breeding house for the soldier fly. So you notice there's a box of food right there, and under is the clay pot. So inside in this pot, at around 500 matured or the black or the brown larva. So just today they're beginning to hatch. So I have 5 for now. This one here, so this one, and then the others just roam around. I don't know where they go. Right here, this one. So it's very nice because I put very nice I don't know what flower is this. So during night time they can hide in there and it's cold. So it's very good today because it's 30 degrees centigrade. So they go out. So I'm waiting for them to mate, and then after they mate, lay their eggs there, and then that one the cardboard will be transferred to my box here, just like this one. So that's for now, and then have a nice day.